ready?
No. Oh, Nikes. I forgot I was recording this, folks. Wow. Starting the level off right, aren't I? TFG and Mike from the Geekcast Radio Network. Crap, I hope none of that copyrighted stuff ends up in this video. I'm going to have to check that in the editing. Seriously, folks. I'm literally sitting here hitting the record button.
I have the power!
With my TV playing in the background, Law and Order Criminal Intent, because I was in between video uploads and stuff, and I just lost my brain for a moment, and holy crud, I hope that did not make it into the video. Anyway, like I said, I'm TFG and Mike. This is Tucker's Snack Attack. This is level 1599. Here we go. Come on, go.
Holy crap!
I always forget about those power-ups up there sometimes. So used to using the ones down here. What am I even supposed to be doing? Oh, this is beat the clock. Which means that it's all... Okay.
Dang, you're good.
There we go. I think I beat the clock, folks. 1599 in the books. There you go. Yes, yes. Good boy, good boy. Good boy, Tucker. Tucker, Todd, the entire Budson family of pups and all that good stuff. There you go, folks. 16... Oh, man. 1600's gravity. I was hoping they would debut some sort of new level with 1600. Maybe they'll do that at 2000. Who knows? I have no clue what they're doing when they get to that point. But, yeah. So, anyway, let's check this. Okay. Oh, man. I'm only at the 3rd level for that? Really? Anyway, folks. I will see you in 1600.